I said, I would love to know if you use any of those services. So please don't hesitate to give me the real dirt. Comment down below and let me know if you like it, if you don't, all that good stuff. Hello, beautiful peeps of YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Kat, and you're watching Planning Calm. And here on this channel, I love to share with you all the many ways I can help you plan your way to calm and plan a calmer life. In this video, I'm going to get right into it because I know your time is precious and I hope you're having a great week. For me, things are busy and I am turning to my notebook planner just to kind of get me through because I've just been so go. Comment down below if you've ever been really busy that you can't even plan. Sometimes that happens, life happens, and I'm here for it. I'm here showing you the real. I'm going to be doing last week and then this current week in my notebook planner, and I want to show you how flexible a notebook planner is. In previous weeks I did, I had my monthly dashboard and then I was tracking my movement and my meal prep. And to be honest, I don't have time to meal prep. I know it's terrible, but right now I have been just getting meals at school. My school is great that they have like a teacher meal program, and I've been kind of using that, and it's been stretching out for the week, so we have leftovers, and it's been great. It's been a lifesaver because, like I said, between school, teaching, everything, I don't have time, and that's okay. I totally understand that. So what I'm doing now is I wrote, I think last week or something like that, I don't even remember, January 12th to the 18th, that's the week I'm planning in, and I'm just jotting down all the things that I had to do today and a couple of notes that I had to make. So I'm going to put that in for you right now. Okay, so what I've done is I've gone through and I've filled out the things that I did not have time to last week, and it's great. So again, one of the things I love about a notebook planner is it's flexible. There's no kind of locked in way that you have to use it. You can write and capture whatever it is that you want. So in previous weeks, like I said, I talked about writing down movement goals, meal plans. Sometimes I make a grocery list. This week, or last week I should say, I wrote down gratitude, so things that I'm grateful for. And every day of the week I just kind of chose one thing. I tend to do this when I'm feeling that inertia of stress and when life be life, and you know what I mean? Comment down below if you know what I mean. And so putting these reminders here in terms of the gratitudes, things I'm grateful for, just helps get me out of that rut, that feeling. And right now as a teacher, the feeling is real. It's real strong right now. And reminders, I like to put reminders here as well. Just things that I need to do. I need to schedule appointments and, just things I need to take care of, adulting things, if you will. And again, last thing here, for those tough weeks, I just like to put reminders or just to remember, just to be positive, just to be grateful, just to be happy that this too shall pass. You may feel stressed and anxious or whatever, but you'll get through it. God's got you. So that's what I have for here. Now this week, I'm going to be planning for January 19th to the 25th. Hope you can see this okay. And it's going to be another busy week. I hate, oh my gosh, things are just so crazy. But yeah, life is crazy. And I just made a boo-boo here, so I'm just going to cover that up there. And I'm going to put Sunday, and it's going to be the 19th. And again, because it's a notebook, because it's your just dump and dive type of planner, you don't have to make it be pretty. You can just, come in and not have to make it cute. You don't have to be perfectionist. You can make the mistakes you want to and not have to worry about trying to cover it up with a sticker, trying to, do whatever. Who cares? It is what it is. And that's the freedom that notebook planning gives you. You can just do what you want, plan how you want. And so it's date night for Mr. Calm and I. And we're usually so tired that we don't even get through it. But it's down there nonetheless. Saturday's the 25th. and rest and relax. That is what we plan to do. And so in terms of other things, again, this is another tough week. So I'm going to put a spot for gratitudes. So I'm going to leave that blank there. And next up, a couple things that I want to remember. And I'm going to put that here. So some reminders. I'm really into like just using coupons on the regular. So coupon pack, I don't know what that means. I got to make a shopper's trip to take part of their savings event, point savings event. And if you're not familiar with what Shoppers is, Shoppers Drug Mart is a Canadian pharmacy chain similar to Ulta. It's kind of like, you know, a Walgreens, but of a higher scale, if that makes any sense. But I love it because they have an optimum point system that I like to collect points for in the rewards. So I've been stacking and saving. So there's that. I got to go to the bulk barn for my students last week of school. And then I got to go to Costco to pick up some exam treats, we'll say. Because exams are coming up and yeah, there's a whole situation there. And then I got to things I got to do. I'm gonna put here. I want to look into some type of food delivery service system. So like a HelloFresh, Chef's Plate, I think is in the States or in Canada here. Comment down below if you use a food service like that. And tell me which one is your favorite. Because like I said, the food prep and the meal prep is just not working. I don't know. I don't know. It's kind of low-key stressing me out, but I know it's going to be okay. It's just one more thing. And the addition of this final class in my on my plate, it's just there's not enough time between getting the readings done, the classes, and everything. So it's going to be ending in March. So as soon as the end of March hits, I'll have some semblance of my life back, and I will feel much better. Yeah, so I'm gonna look into some food delivery things, and I spoke about it with Mr. Calm too, and he's down. I think we need something. Oh, Factor meals is what I was thinking about. Factor. Yeah, like I said, I would love to know if you use any of those services. So please don't hesitate to give me the real dirt. Comment down below and let me know if you like it, if you don't, all that good stuff. And there you have it, my friends. That is busy life in my notebook planner. And like I said, I carry this bad boy with me wherever I go. You know, most times I have a backpack, so I just throw it in there. And I keep these two things and bam, bam, bam. But like I said, it's just been so busy. I haven't even had a chance I haven't slept. I haven't done anything. So I love the fact that the notebook planner is just so easy, practical, flexible, and it just works for my needs. And I don't have to worry about being cute or perfectionist about it. I can just scribble and go, and that's okay. So thank you so much for being with me today and for hanging out and spending some time with me. Let me know down below how you're doing, what's up, what's good. I know January is a tough month for a lot of folks, so I'm thinking of you and hoping you're doing okay. And until the next video, take care, be well, be blessed, my friends, and I'll see you all in the next planner video. Bye-bye, planner peeps.